Get the out of here! Damn! Hello, all you happy sailors. We have done it. Me and
This one?
we bought a kayak. This one is a pre-owned one. We got it really cheap, and why not? When I'm into fishing now, and since we went last year, we went to Finland to do the Oulanka. We like it so much that we want to do it now here too, in the home, and this should be okay. This is also good for fishing, this one, and let's go to put it to water and see if it floats. Alright, the boat is in the water, but look at all that yucky algae. It's really bad looking. We are going to try out this kayak today, first time. We're not even having safety vests yet, so we are staying close to the shore. What do you say?
Good, looking good.
Yes. Today is a perfect day. As you can see, it's like 24-25 degrees Celsius. Almost too hot for me, at least. Yeah, I think when we go to the lake, this is Lake Constance, by the way, if you didn't know. And when we go to the lake, there's some breeze, and then we can cool down a little bit. And no one is stopping you to go to have a small swim if you feel like it. The captain is sitting behind and the engine is in front.
What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? Early in the morning, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning. Put him in the longboat until he's sober, put him in the longboat until he's sober, put him in the longboat until he's sober early in the morning. Way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning. Pull out the plug and wet him all over, pull out the plug and wet him all over, pull out the plug and wet him all over early in the morning. Way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises, way hey and up she rises early in the morning.
Alright guys, we are on the Lake Constance. Just to tell you where we are to locate. We are on the Swiss side of Lake Constance, and over there in front of the girlfriend we have Austria, and over there is Germany. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a Zeppelin, there's an airship right now flying, surprisingly, on the German area. Many smugglers are using this lake to go over to bring like black money from the Swiss banks to the German side, and there is somewhere like a border patrol. They have a really fast boat what they are using to catch those smugglers. We will see where we are landing today. Maybe we just follow this shore to that direction. If we go to Austria, we will see. That's quite far away. But yeah, let's just try to test drive the canoe now, or kayak now, and enjoy this beautiful weather. we are landing soon. Doesn't look really good. Doesn't look really good. Just have to get out from the boat, baby. We got to a place, I don't know, horn or something. Not cup horn, but or not. What you got here? What you got here? What have you been doing? With who have you been? Why are my
Trousers wet?
trousers totally wet? I don't know.
Oh yeah, that's deep.
Yeah.
Maybe you're okay.
Doesn't matter. Here we are now. We are chilling a little bit here, maybe having a sandwich, whatever, and then we continue probably a little bit to that direction, to Austria direction.
Mountains.
So what do you say? First, maybe 2 kilometers done. What do you say?
It's really a good boat, and the paddling is really nice.
It's nice.
It's really nice.
Yeah. It's nice. I actually kind of bought it for me going to fish, but see, we can also go canoeing together or kayaking. And what?
Have some other fun.
Some other fun, yeah. It's really cool. And here are like places what you can like open. Let's take the spider webs out from here. But you can open and put the rod when you go fishing. And here you can also have a rod holder. Here you can have some, I don't know, worms or whatever, lures. It's kind of cool. Oh, baby, you got a candle here already.
Yeah, I prepared something for you.
Oh, so romantic.
Some romantic is going on here now. Hopefully. Two people.
Yeah, that's just
Everything.
leave your stuff here. We got a nice prehistoric bench here. Oh yeah, that's cool. Let's have a snack. Step 2 is step 2. What can I say? Yeah. And by the way, in the last video I told you guys that don't ever drink Feldschlösschen beer. This is one of the best beers in Switzerland, but this is also made from the same brewery, Feldschlösschen. But it's totally different beer. It's a lot better one. And to tell you something about this beer, there is actually 5 Rappen. Rappen is a cent in Switzerland. 5 cents from every beer can, or from the price of it, is going to protect the Swiss forests. Yeah, and that's already a reason to drink this beer, no matter how it tastes. But also the taste of this beer is fantastic. So let's crack it open. Do it all the way. Do it all the way.
You know I'm left-handed.
Thank you.
So it's difficult. And it's working way better with my left hand.
All right.
Good.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh yeah. Good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
Yeah, in the summer. It's especially.
This is our holiday. You know, it's just one day, but it's still. Here's no one else, because it's not
Amazing.
weekend, and this is perfect. And look at the view what we have. We're on the lake again, and my girlfriend is trying to paddle, but it looks like,
Direction.
you know, Look at that. Yeah, now she's trying when she knows that she's going to YouTube. Oh, it's getting more wild here. You're just filming yourself.
Stay on it.
But there's a nice looking fountain ahead of us, so let's go to get wet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
let's drive through it.
Let's do that.
Woohoo!
Yeah, so we are here. We are approaching the fountain. This is going to be exciting. Will we get wet? Who will get wet? How wet? Is the water cold? Does the boat get full of water? Lots of questions. The answers are in about 3 minutes coming out.
It depends on me.
Yeah.
Maybe half an hour.
The front motor, look now, tilting even more. Okay, it's all okay. No, left. Oh yeah, OMG. You're really pulling us through. Shit. It's raining. Look at the full rainbow. Damn. Just get us out from here. You're doing wrong. Get the out of here. Damn. Oh, no, not again. All wet. What about you guys? Are you still here? Yeah. Come on, Bobby, let's go party. Oh. So, it's a really good workout, I must tell you guys. If you have a chance, go paddling. Is it canoe, is it kayak? Doesn't really matter. This is also good for the core area, you know, for the corset area. And I must say, I heard lots of horror stories, like you should never buy a tandem kayak, you know, with your significant one, because there comes at least divorce, if not bodies, because there will be problems. But we are doing it synchronized. Maybe left right helps sometimes, but otherwise the one who is stopping and starting again, he or she just have to, you know, look what the other one is doing and do it after that. That's how simple it is. So we are back. Dry land under our feet. I would say it was a good workout here in this nice, beautiful weather. Now we just have to try to get the kayak out from that shit and clean it a little bit. And yeah, that's it. That was this time. Maybe you can hear there's some kind of sledgehammer behind, or whatever hammer there is making noise. And yeah,
It was a nice one.
it was a nice one. It was
Really nice.
it was a good workout, beautiful nature,
Yeah.
and so on. Thank you for coming with us to this small kayak adventure, and see you next time somewhere outside. Ahoy! Tschüss! There's something in the darkness.